Picture this. You're speaking into your microphone, but the voice that comes out sounds exactly like your favorite celebrity. Imagine pranking your friends, creating viral content, or even dubbing famous movie scenes with your own words, all in real time. See, interesting, isn't it? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that using an incredible AI-powered tool, completely free. So, keep on watching. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official website of the AI voice-changing software. Currently, it's available for Windows, but if you check their site, you'll see options for macOS, iOS, and Android as well, though they may still be in development. Once you find the download button, simply click on it and install the software like any other program. The installation process is straightforward, and once it's done, you'll be ready to start exploring its features. Once installed, open the application, and you'll be greeted with an intuitive interface. Here, you'll have the option to explore various voice models, settings, and customization features. Before proceeding, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as some features require online processing to deliver the most accurate and high-quality voice transformation. Before you can start transforming your voice, you need to configure your audio input settings. This means selecting the microphone you'll be using. If you're using a USB microphone, a headset mic, or an audio interface, make sure to set it as the default input device in the AI tool's settings. This ensures that the software picks up your voice correctly and applies the transformation in real time. The AI tool offers two primary modes: recording mode and live mode. Recording mode allows you to record your voice first, process it through the AI, and then play back the transformed version. Let's test it out. By clicking on it, select a voice you want. We're going to pick this one and let's record, "Hi there, we hope you're doing well." Now let's play.
Hi there, we hope you're doing well.
Cool, right? Live mode, on the other hand, is where the interesting aspect happens. This mode changes your voice in real time as you speak, making it perfect for live streaming, voice calls, and interactive content creation. Today, we're going to focus on live mode to give you an immediate experience of how it works. Once activated, your voice will be processed instantly, and you'll be able to hear the modifications through your headphones or speakers. Adjusting the real-time latency and processing settings can help achieve a balance between speed and audio quality. Now, we are going to play the live recording button by selecting a character voice. So right now, we are recording the voice you can hear clearly, and it feels too good to use this platform.
Picture this. You're speaking into your microphone, but the voice that comes out sounds exactly like your favorite celebrity.
Once you've set everything up, it's time to choose your new voice. The AI tool comes with a selection of pre-trained voices, but not all of them may be available right away. You can browse through the available options and select the one that best suits your needs. Some of the most popular voices include well-known actors, politicians, and even fictional characters. To apply a voice, simply click on the desired option and hit the Use button. The software will then load the voice model and prepare it for real-time processing. Keep in mind that while the voice replication is incredibly advanced, it may not be 100% identical to the original speaker. Factors such as pronunciation and speech delivery still play a role in the final output. If the voice you're looking for isn't available by default, there's also an option to train and upload custom voices. This requires a set of high-quality audio recordings of the individual speaking, which the AI will analyze to create a voice model. The more data you provide, the better the result. Okay, let's switch our voice to one of the most recognizable figures, Donald Trump. As you start speaking, you'll notice that the AI applies the tone, pitch, and speech patterns characteristic of Trump's voice. "Hi, I'm Donald Trump. I want to send you a special gift that no one has sent before."
Hi, I'm Donald Trump. I want to send you a special gift that no one has sent before.
If you want to experiment further, try adjusting the quality settings. Setting it to faster will reduce the lag but may introduce minor distortions, while better quality will enhance the realism at the cost of some latency. Let's test another voice. Let's select Morgan Freeman's iconic voice. Now, as we speak, today is a beautiful day, the sky is blue, and the birds are chirping happily.
Today is a beautiful day. The sky is blue, And the birds are chirping happily.
Listen to how the AI freely adapts to his deep, soothing tone. You can continue experimenting with different voices and even compare them side by side. This will help determine how well the AI isolates and processes your voice under different conditions. Now that we've explored the existing voices, let's get into the most exciting part: creating your very own voice model. The AI tool allows you to train a completely unique voice using recordings of your own speech. This is perfect for those who want a personal touch or need a distinct voice for branding purposes. To begin, go to the Create Voice section and upload at least 15 minutes of high-quality audio recordings of your speech. Make sure the recordings are clear, free of background noise, and represent your natural speaking style. The AI will analyze these samples and generate a voice model that mimics your tone and cadence. Once your voice is trained, you can use it in both recording and live modes, just like the celebrity voices. The AI voice-changing tool operates on a credit-based system. Users are given a limited number of free credits upon sign-up, which can be used for voice transformations. Additional credits can be earned through referrals, participating in promotional events, or contributing to the tool's development by providing voice data. For those who need unlimited access, there are subscription plans available. The pricing structure varies based on features, with basic plans offering limited voice selections and premium plans granting access to exclusive celebrity voices, higher quality processing, and faster response times. Users can choose between monthly or yearly subscriptions depending on their needs. If you require one-time access, there are also pay-as-you-go options where you can purchase credits separately without committing to a subscription. Keep an eye out for special discounts and bundle deals that may offer better value for long-term users. Now that you know how to transform your voice into any celebrity, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're using it for fun, content creation, or professional work, this AI tool offers a unique way to enhance your projects. We encourage you to experiment with different voices, fine-tune your settings, and explore all the features available. The more you practice, the better and more natural your voice transformations will become. Stay creative and have fun. See you in the next one.